Good Saturday morning, everyone. I'm Carrie Connolly. Our top stories today. We now know when Tom Brady will have his say in Deflategate. Brady will formally appeal his suspension on June 20th. Right now, that appeal will be heard by NFL Commissioner Roger Goodell, but the NFL Players Union is fighting to get Goodell off the hearing in favor of someone it believes is more impartial. Brady was suspended, as you know, for 4 games, accused of knowing footballs were being intentionally deflated prior to the AFC Championship game. Well, this will be the weekend of cleaning up for a lot of people in Methuen. The National Weather Service confirmed that a microburst roared through parts of the city Thursday night. The violent storm, with winds nearing hurricane strength, knocked down trees and damaged dozens of homes. Fortunately, there were no injuries. And Pamela's here now with a look at our 50-50 weekend, you say.
Yes, warm summer-like for today, but then tomorrow big changes with rain and cooling temperatures. On our way to 86 degrees for that high temperature by 5 o'clock. Lots of sunshine. The clouds will linger around the Cape, the islands, the south coast, even the south shore. North shore, completely different. We do expect a good beach day there. The wind picks up as well, gusting from the southwest up to 30 miles per hour. So cooler on the Cape and Islands, and rain back for Sunday.
We could use the rain, though,
yes,
that's for sure. All right, thanks, Pamela. Have a great day, everybody.